Good evening, Tallahassee. It was a really chilly one today, waking up to frost on the windshields, and now the clouds are building in, and this is a sign of what's to come. We've got rain in the forecast, and stay tuned to find out when and how much. But for this evening in Tallahassee, it's 53 degrees, and indeed, the clouds are building. It's getting a lot cloudier, and while the dew point is still low, we can expect that to raise a little bit. It's going to get muggy and sticky as the moisture begins to move into our region tomorrow. Across the Big Bend, we're seeing similar conditions to our 53, 48 in Quincy, 52 in Bainbridge, all hovering right around the 50-degree mark on this seasonably cool evening after a very chilly day across the Big Bend. So this water vapor map here behind me can show you exactly where the moisture is right now and the overall pattern of the motion of this system. Check out East Texas and southern Louisiana. This is where the bulk of the moisture is, and it's all moving off to the northeast. It's going to start knocking on our doorstep tomorrow afternoon, bringing with it lots of rain. The satellite and radar indicates exactly what we're expecting with this system. It's already beginning to deluge over East Texas, making its way onshore near New Orleans, and slowly creeping its way towards the Florida Panhandle this evening. We've got an animatic here to show you exactly what's going on. The reason it was so clear this afternoon is because a high pressure was dominating over most of the central heartland of the southeast right now. And that's going to scoot on out as this whole rainy system, which is associated with a low pressure that's going to move up from the southern Gulf as the skies get overcast. And by this time tomorrow, we're expecting rainy conditions as a warm front slides on shore. And then the winds are going to start changing behind that as the system gets out of our way. Winds are going to come out from the north and push down a lot of cooler air that's going to plunge our temperatures again, making Friday a bit of a repeat of today with drier conditions to follow, all the rain in store for us. But this evening in Tallahassee, we're calling for a low of 39 degrees under chilly conditions with light winds and clouds building throughout the region. And they're going to stick around tomorrow. We're going to wake up to cloudy skies as the rain begins to build. So if it's not raining when you've got that 8 a.m. class, be sure to take your umbrella out because come mid-afternoon, you're going to need it. As for the 7 days after that, well, like we said, Friday, things are going to clear up, and we're only going to get up to a high of 61 degrees from near freezing temperatures on Friday morning. And after that, we've got 5 days of sunshine in store for you, with highs maybe even breaking back into the 70s at the end of the weekend. Have a great evening and go Noles.